being unruly make Foota Hype boss. Fully loaded 2001.
Yeah.
Sharon Burke actually, big up Sharon Burke, Solid Agency. She actually gave me an opportunity to perform at Fully Loaded because of Leroy Sibbles. Because at the time, I played Leroy Sibbles sound system and he was close friends with Sharon. So I told him, it's not just him, because me tell him about Fully Loaded and say, yo, I want to play on that. And him say, who keep it? And I say, Sharon Burke. Oh, Sharon Burke, I'm a friend, man. Go around and go tell her, say, Ray. So I say, me can't go to you for call her and tell her. And I say, no, man, just go around there and tell her. I say, Leroy, I say, Ray. So I have to call her, and now I just go around and say. So him call her, and then I go meet her. She said, if I reach over the beach, I'm going to be playing at 6 o'clock. So me in my house, bed, put on my clothes, ready for 6 o'clock. But then me I said to myself, say, 6 o'clock. I'm going to sun and water over this. Me not going at 6 o'clock. Remember this on a Leroy, this on a Sharon, this on me. I said, me now go 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Because now go work for me. Me want boss. Me want lock the place. So I left my yard about 8:30. Reach over there about 9:30, but the traffic to carry me in, I reach inside till 10. I reach inside and go on side stage. Sharon cuss me like a dog. Cuss me. When I play, that's it. I lose my opportunity. Better I go on. When I decide me, I go hold it. So I'm bridging them that everybody said, you know? But I said, channel. This not look good. But anyway, Jazzy T them late, Mataran them late, all our big guns them late. So them have a slot where dead here. Nobody know they fi play. So Sharon have an assistant at the time named Sophia. Sophia Bakay, she work she have her own booking agency now. Zine and her own team. Sophia said to me, say, listen to me. This way I go to my class with my job. Don't let me down. I say, what you talking about? She said, you go play now, but you have to mash up the place, because if you go up there and flap, and me, Sharon, I go kill, and they go lose my job. I say, flap is not in my DNA.
Yeah.
That time now the beach, ram. So, she called me up, tell the MC call me up, I'm going to go up there. Then they'd have some little uptown sound play before me. Them time them the rootless against uptown people. Like, me not want to hear them, me not want to hear nothing about them. Yeah. So them go on before me, and the rhythm, them buzz rhythm, did hot. Just come out hot. Just give me the light and pass the job. Pump up bar. So them go up there, them play Sean Paul, them play Sizzler, them play Singer G. But them left the Cabra.
Yeah.
So me and my brain calculate what them left and go up there. So you know, I beat them, but I cuss them. I say, yo, no, nothing about this. And them say, oh, you have to come and Portmore and play the baddest rhythm and not play the baddest
artists.
Yeah, you know, play the Pattern Cartel not boss yet.
Right.
Play the baddest thing from Portmore. Helter Skelter.
Yeah.
Press trigger, me not press pit. No beats, no left. Remember, say, all I gunshot them. I wait for Mataran and Links them and Renaissance and Mighty Crown them.
Yeah.
But by the reach a little bit left, they clip them empty and the barrel left empty. Oh, me I deal with it over there already. When we play me set and come off of the stage, Sophia lift me up. New image promotion, Sophia.
Yeah.
Sophia hug me up and lift me up and say your book for next year. No, if I never make my intuition. So I tell her, say, no matter how you see a man saying boss, and he might run place, and if God not involved in your thing, it don't make no sense. Because I'm an intuition. I say, listen, you, if you go 6 o'clock, it's not going to happen. And you on the beach, I go over there. So, being unruly, make Foota Hype bus.
Yeah.
You understand? So that was one of my greatest memory, and it was one of my nervous and saddest moment when them tell me, say, I'm not going to play.
Yeah, man.
You understand? When them tell me, say, I'm not going to play. Remember, I parted my 3 little bridge, I parted the youth and baby fan cable, the cable company. I parted one you and Strand. Them time there. Because I beg driver, the cable you to beg drive carry over there, and I buy him gas, you know. So, I'm shame. Because when I say, I can't play and my dad, them, I said, John, dad, you should have forward. And them feel sad because, remember, them not claim to fame, and me, for them, uncle look glory too. And me get them in the street. Yeah, so, them feel sad for me too, you know what I'm saying? So when I get the opportunity, I'm going to shell it, man. I see about the jive and them face, them happy. We are walk high. With big, and rather than big, them, I say, you start link. And so now, everything start happening.